In today's quick tip video for Canva, we'll look at how you can upscale your images. You can start with an image like this and turn it into this. Now this is a Canva Pro feature, so make sure you're on that plan. First, I'm going to create a new document and upload my low-res image. I'll create a design and I'll upload my file. I have this low-quality image here. Let's open it. You can see it's only 240 by 360 pixels, and I'll use it in a new design. Let's create the design. So your monitor isn't broken. This is quite a blurry image. Now the way we can improve the quality is with a Canva app. There are several apps that can do this, but the one I like is called Image Upscaler. So I'll have my image selected here. And then on the left, I'll click Apps. I'll search the Canva apps for Image Upscaler. I'll hit Enter, and I'll choose the one with the butterfly on it. Now if you haven't used it before, you'll have to click this Open button here, so I'll click that. And now my app in the future will be in the toolbar over here on the left. And you can choose how much you want to upscale your image by here. Let's go as big as we can here, and let's do 8x. So I'll click 8x. I'll click Upscale. It will do some processing. And then you can easily see the difference between before and after over here. So this is before, after, before, after. And when you're happy with the result, you can click Replace. So I'll click Replace. And now my new image is here. So on the left, you can see what it used to look like. And on the right is the new upscaled version. If you want to see more Canva tricks, check out the playlist on my channel. And if you have any questions about how to use Canva, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.